growing new concerns about the coronavirus right here in the United States, because we now have the first case with no immediate links to worldwide travel or a related illness. California health officials say that patient has been isolated. It's one of 60 known cases in the U.S. More than 82,000 illnesses are reported globally in more than 40 different countries, with some taking drastic measures to prevent a spread.
This morning, Saudi Arabia closed all its major Islamic holy sites to foreigners, and Japan said it will close all of its schools for a month to keep coronavirus from spreading. Back here in the U.S., Carter Evans is outside that hospital in Sacramento where that new American patient is being treated. Carter, why is this case causing so much concern?
Well, it's a big concern because there have only been 2 other cases of person-to-person transmission of the virus here in the U.S., and both of those occurred after exposure to a family member who had been to China. We don't know how the person here got infected with this virus right now, and that's a big concern for health officials who are trying to stop its spread.
There's probably other cases out there in the community that we don't know about.
Doctors at the UC Davis Medical Center are concerned the patient here might just be the first of many infected by someone else in the general population. The individual was transferred here last Wednesday, already intubated and on a ventilator. He or she wasn't tested for coronavirus until Sunday, and the results came back positive just yesterday. It's the first case of what doctors are calling community transmission.
It suggests that we don't know where they got it from, so the person who exposed them probably exposed others.
Efforts to combat the highly contagious virus are growing coast to coast.
Your gown goes on first.
Hospital workers outside New York are being trained to protect themselves, as more than 80 people who may have been exposed in China are currently in isolation in their homes.
We're in a state of high vigilance, high readiness, all elements of the city government, to address this crisis.
Los Angeles is also taking extraordinary precautions.
We're disinfecting LAX every hour. We're making sure that those points of entry are as secure as we can possibly make them.
Villanova University is telling its students studying abroad in Italy that they need to return home now because of the increase in cases there. Also, same goes for Sacramento State, with its students in South Korea telling them to come back right now. We expect to learn more about the patient here at a news conference later today. Tony?
All right, Carter, thank you very much.